knows Dale Hinman has worked many tough homicides. When she
Ayun o,
receives the
yun.
Godley case
Punasan mo yan.
file, right away, she zeroes in on something.
Wag dyan, may langgam. Ito na lang, punasan mo yung natapon.
This is because the person is more interested in the property than in the interaction with the homeowner. The fact that the offender entered Mr. Godley's residence when he was at home during nighttime hours told us that this individual was desperate for money, and that night...
Kunin mo na yung basahan, anak. Balik mo yan, dali. Put it back dun sa bag ni ate. O, lagay mo yung shampoo sa banyo. O, come here na. O, balik na dito. O, come here na. Close mo yung door. Close the door. Galing. O, come here na, anak. O, come here na, come here.
Could be more than a coincidence that the check arrived within a few days of his death.
Kunin mo yung basahan. Kunin mo yung basahan, dali.
According to his family,
O, put it back.
a valuable coin.
Lagay mo na doon.
Yet there wasn't a single coin found anywhere in the house. Searching the police blotter for any similar attacks, investigators make a startling
Ay, ang galing. Ay! Nauntog. O, kunin mo yung walis, baby.
Mr. Godley had called the Beaufort County Sheriff's Office as he saw a prowler.
Tabi mo na yan doon. Balik mo doon sa kitchen.
African-American male as he described.
Very good. Wow. Wala ka na. Si Papa Bear, kunin mo. Kalat.
When sheriff's officer responded, they searched the area.
Kalat, ha?
They can only assume that after they
Akin na.
left, the prowler
Thank
came
you.
back to finish the job. It wouldn't be the only
Oh, yung book mo, yung book.
that night.
Get the book.
Sometime after midnight,
Lagay mo sa bag.
a man by the name of Donald Mitchell was stopped by deputies approximately a mile from Mr. Godley's house for loitering.
Halika na. Kunin mo yung bag mo. Kunin mo yung bag.
The description of Godley's prowler. Investigators track Mitchell down and bring him into the station for questioning.
Oh, come here na. Bring your bag here. Akin na yung bag. Akin na. Kunin mo yung bag. Enough na. O, yan. Sige, lagay mo yan lahat. Wala lang kalat. Galing naman ako magligpit, ah. O, come here na. Yung bag. Bring it here. O, come here. Kunin mo yung bag doon. Yung bag, kunin mo yung bag. Yala.
Sent it to the South Carolina Law Enforcement Forensics Laboratory, where it was processed for any evidence that he was involved in the
Aiden.
crime.
Aiden? Yung bag. Akin na, get. Akin na yung bag. Akin na.
So there's no reason to suspect
Halika rito, kakagatin ka ng ng langgam.
blood spatter or any biological evidence at all that would link him to Mr. Godley's murder. Okay.
Hindi na yan. Yung bag, dali, get the bag. Yung bag mo, akin na. School ka na eh. Akin na yung bag. Baby! Yung bag! Yung bag. Oo.
With their only suspect eliminated and time
Dali, nagit mo na yung bag.
investigators fear the Godley
Akin na yung bag.
may go unsolved.
Ayan.
Coming up,
Uy!
as they study the crime,
Yung bag!
what else will investigators learn about this?
School ka na, di ba? School? Oh, get your bag. Ay, nagwiwis ka na naman